be learning about the topic data sufficiency. Before starting with the concept, let me tell you data sufficiency is a predominant topic in aptitude section as it has many more sections or many more topics involved in this. Example, you can see problems on direct functions, seating arrangement, time, speed and distance, blood relations and many of such kind. So it's a very high profit or a high profile topic that will give you a lot of marks when you go through this. So anyways, let me tell you what this data sufficiency is all about. So as the topic itself says, look at the words sufficient and data. Whether the given content, statement or argument is sufficient, whether the given data is sufficient to solve the problem. So that's all you are supposed to do. So let me tell you how you are supposed to do that. It means in the data sufficiency section, one needs to check whether the data given in the two statements is sufficient to answer the question asked or not. If it's not sufficient, definitely you have other options, and if it's sufficient, you have to select the right one. So let me tell you how to solve these data sufficiency questions. First thing is, read the directions of a particular question very carefully, as the examiner can change the order or direction at any point of time. So if you just rely on that old traditional method, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, we have to select 1 2 3, so then that would be a huge failure because the examiner might change the directions anytime. So be aware, read the directions before solving these questions. And then how to solve: first go through the first statement, then the second statement, and then if required, combine both of them and check whether you will be able to solve it or not. And then, adding on to that, understand the language of the question properly. Do not make any assumptions. You cannot make assumptions even if you can grab something out of it. Just rely on what's been given. And do not mark the answer after testing just one statement, because you have multiple statements which can lead you to the same destination. So please make sure that you verify all the statements. And in addition to that, the use of process of elimination of options to narrow down the possible answer. If you are very much confused in answering it, please make sure that you stick on to option elimination method, one of the best method to solve questions when you are completely clueless. And for instance, if data in statement 1 is sufficient to answer the question, you only need to check for the second statement. So that's how it goes. So this is just an example. And adding to that, one of the best note that I would like you to carry throughout data sufficiency is, do not make any assumptions while solving data sufficiency questions. Be it at any point of time, even if you know the answer, don't make it as an assumption. So just rely on what's been asked. So this is a basic concept about data sufficiency, where with the given statements you will just have to check whether it's enough or it's sufficient to solve the given question. So in the upcoming videos, let me explain you by taking different directions and different problems with regard to data sufficiency. So for now, it's about concept with regard to data sufficiency. So see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.